You know what? I'm gonna using this one. The whole strip. Stunning and like similar. To weaver gel, but it's not the weaver gel. But pre-adhesive. Really simple, easy, quick to apply on. We did weaver gel yesterday. I just want to show you something is really cool and stunning. Great. I'm gonna put some crystal in there. That's why. Hi, Sarah. Was Sarah on? Hey, Sarah. How are you? Can you pinch on this one?
Pin already.
It's not pin.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good. Okay, great. So it's just so easy. I'm using quite a few of them out from here. It's come with like all different colors, which is silver, rose gold, and gold. So I think all the package have the black one too. But then today we want to do a theme of spring. So I want to use something that's a little bit different. So I got this one. Great. So next I am going to using condensed glue gel because I am going to using some crystal placement. My condensed glue gel, it lasts so long. Is I using almost all to the end of it. Twin tip brush. I'm going to apply and tie the nails. And it's so thick density, so when you're using it, don't hesitate to blend it out really nicely. And no wipe top coat. This technique, the no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gel, will help grip the crystals base and it keep it up to like good 3 to 6 weeks. Floating on the top. That's some stuff right there. Crystal picker. I really want that pink. I kept doing it diagonals like that because it looks so cute. Using pink and yellow. This is a glow in the dark though. How are you, Sarah? Sarah did beautiful nails earlier with, she did the live video with Chang. It's really stunning with butterfly stickers and chamfer foil. Was different cool designs. If you haven't get chance to follow with her, make sure you do so, because she's saying sharing is so much ideas with how you can achieve easy, simple look for the nails. I should use a rose gold beads instead of can I get the rose gold bead? No, that I need a rose gold beads. I got that right on my tray right here. Thank you. And tip and tricks, I'm gonna dress it up with a little bit more because you haven't seen me do any of rose gold beads at all. It's really stunning because the strip, it has the rose gold, so I'm gonna do the rose gold. So tip and trick using my twin tip brush. It's really stunning though. It's seeing Sarah doing it as well. It just really, you can pick up so many beads at the same time. I did in purpose of all of this crystal a little bit kind of stay apart. I'm gonna adjusting them and adjusting them to make them really close tight together, because we have a lot of questions like you're asking us, how can we able to keep the crystal staying on, what type of glue gel we're using to keep the crystal stay in nice place, and what is the best way to place a crystal. You see us doing a lot of crystal placement from a different exquisite shape, and now you get to see in like a freestyle also, in like freestyle but in a theme. I kind of like it. You know what? I'm not worried about it's gonna come up. It's gonna stay because with the condensed glue gels and no white top coat, it's keep my crystal, my beads, my charm, and even a sticker encapsulating glitter, charm chains, and all of metal accessory will stay and it'll last so long. Okay, now I'm using on the other end, precision end of crystal pickers. Oh, I really actually like it though. It's kind of randomly, you don't have to necessarily in where you want to play your beads. I'm able to pick ones over there. I get some residue from my glue gel, so you can see I can pick this one up. Only use it with the beads only, okay? Don't try to pick that with the crystal because you're gonna have the residues of glue gels. It's gonna might touching on the top of your crystal, which is you don't want it. Really fun though. Great, if you're happy with this, and we're gonna key this under the LED lamp for about 60 seconds. One more here. I think it's one more here. Great. Under the LED lamps for about 60 seconds. Hey Tracy, how are you? Nails Primal, hello, how are you? Oh, thank you so much, Sarah. I inspire from Sarah and Vicky a lot, and Brad too. It's really stunning because one we're always doing different gold, and then Sarah we're doing a different like silver and obsidians. This beads is powerful. This bead is make things look so much better and easier, like more jewelry. Hey Leslie, thank you, Live Ras. Yes, Marie, hello. Thank you so much, Queens. SB Nails, hey, sweetie, how are you? Thelma Benz, hello. Tracy, Nail Primal, Nene, Shaquaya, Love, yes. Hey, thanks so much, everyone, for tuning in today. Hope you all have a great Friday. Hi, Sony. Hey, Dajo Digits, how are you? Great. So now it actually feel really good though, but I am going to using a precision glue to really double secure it. I think I left it. So I'm going to using precision glue here. Don't lose this red cap. And I'm using this end, which is the needle end, and I'm doing a little exam first. This feels so good. It feels so satisfied because when you have all the beads and the crystal like this, it's so awesome to seal them completely. With the beads, if you are accidentally get on the top of it and cover all of them, is totally fine, but try not to get into your on the top of your crystal, as it's gonna ruin and cover all the shines and the cuts from the crystals. If you going over the beads, totally fine, or the charm or chains not in on the top of crystal. So I'm gonna be careful, make sure I get all the edges. And using my twin tip brush again. This is on the side, I'm using the other side. You seeing it earlier when I pick up my condensed glue gel, I using the other end, which is the gel brush end, and this one is the detail brush. And what I doing it right now, just blending all the extra condensed precision glue. So then when we keying them, they will look nice and flawless without look lumpy bumpy. Great. Key under the LED lamp for about 60 seconds. This is now gonna be completely done.